Hello, this is Dr. Ashok Hande. I am the Director of Neurosurgery at Fortis Hospital, Vashi, New Bombay. Today, I am going to talk to you on certain important subjects which we face in our day-to-day life. The first subject is going to be cracking of the neck. Now, this is asked to me by many people. Should we crack the neck or not? So I always ask them, why do you want to crack the neck? They said they get relief. Now, cracking of the neck is normal for many people. So when you crack any part of the joint of the body or any part of the neck, it does give you popping sound, which in common word called as a cracking. Now, what is cracking or popping sound means? Now, every joint has got a fluid between two surfaces. It's called as a synovial fluid, and that is encompassed in a joint capsule. So this synovial fluid normally contains bubbles of oxygen, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide. So when you try to crack the joint, this gas bubble, they make a popping sound, and this is called as a cracking of the neck. Now, for many people, it gives a sort of psychological relief that cracking relieves the pain or relieves the spasm of the muscle.